Kickstart your career as a Chief Financial Officer with our practical and up-to-date course, perfect for finance experts. Secure your future.
On the first day of the seminar, we focus on effective corporate governance with an emphasis on financial key performance indicators and key risk indicators. You'll learn to understand and use balance sheets and cash flows to strategically guide your company. The second day is dedicated to compliance management. Here, you'll learn how current legal requirements and liability risks can affect your company. You'll learn to build an effective compliance structure and avoid legal pitfalls.
On the third day of the seminar, you'll deepen your knowledge in risk management. You'll learn to systematically identify and assess risks. The goal is to develop a robust risk strategy for your company. Stay up to date with trends and get the right tools for your success with the S+P Toolbox. Our programs give you access to current learning content that you can directly apply in your practice. Aim higher with the option to shine as S+P certified. Benefit from lectures in PDF, toolkits for financial strategies, and checklists for compliance to minimize risks.
Learn from case studies at MNO Enterprises and QR Tech how to successfully apply theoretical knowledge in everyday professional life and implement strategies effectively. Learn from the best, improve your skills, and make faster career moves with the S+P course for Chief Financial Officer.